Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn choreography script. This is one of your major discourses. Let's see the details of choreography script. Choreography script. Choreography basically is a dance form through which the performers bring out certain themes. As a performance, it shares some of the features of a drama but is distinct from it as there will not be dialogues and props. We are using choreography as a pedagogical tool for facilitating language acquisition and also to help learner develop deeper understanding of the poem. In the following picture, every dance form shows their culture through dance. Here is a picture. All these performers are performing some actions and they are conveying message about their culture. You can see some more dance forms here. Different types of dance forms, and these are from different states. Here in the first picture, they are performing the Tarangam, and the second picture, folk dance of Ladakh, third picture, Chau dance, and fourth one is Manipuri. Observe these costumes in different dance. They are conveying some message to the people and they are conveying their culture details through the dance. You can see some more dance forms here. The local dance of Malkangiri, Kuchipudi, Kathakali and Banjara dance. So all these dance forms contains this different types of costumes. By looking at their costumes, we can identify them. We can recognize them. They are from which state. And the first picture, that is the local dance. Local dance means in a particular area or a particular village, they are performing a dance in some feast. And in the next picture, the Kuchipudi dance is there. She is performing Kuchipudi on the dais and she is conveying some message regarding that occasion. In the third picture, Kathakali, this dance form is from Kerala. Here, by their costumes, by their style, we can recognize this Kathakali. This Kathakali is also conveying the message of their culture. In the last picture, we can see Banjara dance. It is famous in Telangana state. Similarly, in the poems, we can show expressions. It depends on the theme. All these expressions include happy moments or sad moments. Here, happy moments and sad moments, all these moments are depends on the poem theme. Let's see the definition of choreography script. Choreography script is a written document which clearly tells how the theme of a song or a poem can be conveyed through dance. Let's see some features of choreography script. These features are very much important to us. Let's see what are they. First one, name of the song or the poem. Second, the theme or message to be conveyed in the lines or stanza. Third, incidents or instances in the lines or stanza. Fourth one, scenes or locations. And the last one, sequence of scenes. Here, the last one you have to point again and again. You have to focus on it. Why? Because the sequence actions, if it missed, the total theme will be collapsed. Students, We'll see a choreography script example now. You can see this picture. This is from your textbook, third lesson, be ready. I took the poem Another Woman here to write the choreography script. This is the end of the poem here. Let's see the steps involved in choreography script. Let's see here. In the first part of the choreography script, we have to write these necessary things. Title. Here we took the poem Another Woman. That's why I wrote here the title of the poem is Another Woman. And the characters, main characters and remaining characters both are here. The main characters in the poem, woman, her husband and her mother-in-law. And remaining characters, vegetable vendors, 2 or 3 people who came to market for vegetables. And the theme of the poem, the hardships of a woman as a homemaker and uncordial relationship between the woman and mother-in-law. And the location takes place market and house. Here the sequence of the events connecting scenes. Here based on the previous scene we have to take up the next scene. And the chorus. This chorus will be from behind the stage. Now we can see the steps involved in writing choreography script. I gave question wise. Observe. First one, how do we begin the poem? Answer, sing the poem 3 or 4 times to register the tune or rhythm. When we are taking a poem part, that should be a rhythmic. In that particular situation only, the students may attract towards the poem. That's why sing the poem 3 or 4 times to register the tune and rhythm. Let's see the second one. What are the main characters in the poem? Answer. Main character names are woman, her husband and her mother-in-law. Based on these 3 characters, complete poem will run. Let's see the next one. What is the main theme of the poem? Answer. The hardships of a woman as a homemaker and uncordial relationship between the woman and her mother-in-law. Previous question, we saw the main theme. Now, in the fourth one, what is the theme of each stanza? In the previous one, we saw the complete theme of a poem. Here, stanza-wise theme is there, that too in a tabular form. From first stanza 1, the theme. The theme is, the woman does household works. Second theme, second stanza theme. The woman goes for shopping. Third stanza theme. Woman is subjected to mother-in-law's anger. Fourth stanza theme. Woman subjected to violence. And finally, fifth stanza theme is tragic end of the woman. Till now, we observed themes, main themes and stanza-wise themes. Now, in the fifth point, we have to convert the themes into the incidents and performable actions. In a tabular form, we saw stanza-wise themes. Based on the stanza-wise themes, we can prepare the performable actions that will become easy to make actions. And the fifth point, we converted the themes into performable actions. Now, what are the actions involved in the poem? See, the gestures means here the body language. When she went to the market and she is buying vegetables and she is checking its quality, all these things comes under the gestures. And expressing worry about not having enough money to buy vegetables. The feeling tension when she thought about her mother-in-law. The performer should express their feelings to their face. Feeling tension that should comes on their face. And the next one, expressing feelings of pain. Expressing feelings of pain, it will come when mother-in-law scolds the woman. Next one is miming. When she received scold from mother-in-law, she started weeping and went to the kitchen and doing the things related to the kitchen. On the time, she is weeping. There is no dialogue to express the crying there. That's why here miming the word was given. And the last one, woman screams with burns. At the end of the poem, the woman screams with the burns. These actions are involved in the poem. These actions to be performed on the dais. Till now, we discussed about the actions involved in the poem. Now, what are the characters involved in? The same question was repeated in the second one, but in the second question, only the main characters are mentioned. In this question, all the characters in the poem, like main characters and other characters. Here the main characters are woman, her husband, her mother-in-law. And the other characters, vegetable vendors, 2 or 3 people who came to market for buying vegetables. In the eighth point, where does the incident take place? Location. In the beginning of the poem, woman went to the market to buy vegetables. After taking vegetables, she went to her house. So, here in this poem, market and house, these places are mentioned. Let's recollect the questions. Here we can see 8 questions. In that, first one, how do we begin the poem? Second, what are the main characters involved in the poem? Third one, what is the main theme of the poem? Fourth one, what is the theme of each stanza? Fifth one, convert themes into performable actions. Sixth one, what are the actions involved in the poem? Seventh one, what are the characters in the poem? And the last and final eighth one, where does the incident take place? Here, all these 8 questions are very much important when you are constructing a choreography script. When you answer all these 8 questions, then your choreography script is ready to present. After answering those 8 questions, your choreography script is ready for the presentation before the class. Here, the 9th step is presentation of choreography. Let's see. The chorus team sings the poem and the characters perform their Action. You can observe here the chorus team is singing the poem from behind the stage or dais, and the characters are performing their actions on the dais related to the theme. The actions of a woman and her mother-in-law. We can see this picture. In this picture, mother-in-law sat on a chair and she is instructing her daughter-in-law to do works in the kitchen. Her daughter-in-law is mopping floor in this picture and she is getting vegetables from the outside, and finally she is pleading her mother-in-law for some favor. The actions related to buying vegetables, scolding, crying, cooking. You can observe these four pictures. The performers should act based on the themes. The themes are related to the poem. So, after performing all these actions, our choreography presentation is over. After finishing the choreography presentation, all the performers should exit the stage. After completing the choreographic script, each and every student should give their conclusion. Based on this Another Woman poem, I have a conclusion about it. Let's see. Is it for this fate the woman is born for? If the society shields its face to such violence, there would be another woman in the same situation. Let's not continue to another woman.